I'm Manoj Gupta. I have my own insurance and investment advisory company. Today's program has provided a lot of insight into how we can multiply our business to the next level. Today's course has at least given me some ideas that how small things will really help me to take my business to the next level. The simpler things I realized is one of the biggest learning I have today, I would say, is very few people are required for us to multiply the business. Quantity is what doesn't matter, actually quality matters. So I think today's workshop will help me to deep dive into my current customer base and see how I can really multiply my business, monetize more from the people whom I have already serviced. So that's the learning I'm taking away, and I really look forward to a couple of other workshops from Ascentive, and I'm sure to enroll them very quickly. Thank you so much, Sreeram, for a wonderful training today.